Welcome back to our channel. We just get done ordering this a couple days ago and it finally came. So now we're gonna bring it in and we're gonna put it together. Okay, so we're gonna also do an open box and we're gonna give you 100% honest review. It's an electric bike called Electric Bike.
Silly. Electric bike right there. Look at it right now. Okay, let's get this in the house and do an open box.
Oh yeah. America's best-selling e-bike.
Hey, look up here. What's this say? It's a greatest day to have a great day. Let's get this box opened up. We want to see what's in this box. Use the knife to cut the tape. And then pull up on it, right? What's inside this? What's inside this box? What's inside this box? This is excitement.
I don't want to put this together.
You don't want to put it together? Yeah. Take that out.
Oh, this is the rack.
It is the rack, isn't it? Guys, got to be careful. Oh, it sits down over the seat of the bike. All right, this is the one basket, right? Let's set this over here to the side. We got the other basket that came. Let's set that to the side. Here, let's take this out. Excitement, huh?
Calm down.
I'm thinking let's lay the box over on its left side and just kind of pull it out onto the... Right, now let's lay it over on its side. Like that. Okay, Levi or Isabella want to pull it out? Okay, the box is almost but empty. Look what we have here. We are in heaven, aren't we? Okay. Isabella, what's next?
I have no clue.
You have no clue? Okay, that's the seat. You unwrap the seat. That's the best part of kids, isn't it? Huh? Alright. What's next here? Okay, we have all these protective stuff on here that we gotta cut. Zip ties and cut the tape right here. Whoops. Get all that off. Taking that off the wiring harness, I guess, isn't it? Nope, that's for the handlebars. And we got that off. And then we got rid of that box. What's this box? Folding lock. Alright, then we got this protectiveness to come off of the... What else do we need to take apart? Here, we got protective stuff on there. Okay, now this is the front shocks, right? You get that stuff off the front shocks. And Isabella, we got to cut that right there. Okay, Levi's going to cut that zip tie. Now, we're using a knife, which is mostly what people have in their home. But you can use side cutters if you have that. Get rid of all these pieces. Take this off here.
Guys,
we got a zip tie right here to cut off. All right, I think we got it all unbuttoned. Well, we got one more spot here. We got to get this piece cut off yet, Levi. All right, this is the last piece, I believe, isn't it? Yippee! 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 We got it all. What's nice about this is it folds and it can fit in the back of your car and not need and you don't need a SUV. So what do we want to tell the world? This is how it comes out of the box, right? Isabella? Excitement in the house. What do you think? Are you as excited as we are? We are excited. Now, if you didn't give us a thumbs up on this video when you came if you didn't give us a thumbs up on this video when you came in, give us a thumbs up on the way out. And the next video is going to be, how do we assemble this thing? Can the average person do it? Or do I need an engineering degree to put this thing together? I bet you we can put this I bet we can put this thing together in just a matter of no time.
Look at it.
So click on the video link at the end of this one and let's check it out and see how easy it is.